And in big breaking news that's coming in, the Sports Ministry is seeking legal opinion on the BCCI coming under the ambit of the RTI. The Supreme Court verdict into the IPL scandal had termed the BCCI as a public body, and this is likely to be cited by the ministry in its push to try and bring the BCCI under the ambit of this Right to Information Act. Harini Rana with us for more on this. Now, Harini, the Sports Ministry has in fact made its stand very, very clear, even earlier saying that Team India, for example, doesn't listen or will not listen to anyone, and therefore this a step in that direction to try and make the cricket board answerable?
Well, absolutely, Tina. In fact, previously as well, the Sports Ministry had tried to get BCCI under the RTI, which was, of course, the sports bill that we were talking about. But it was way back in 2013 when the Madras High Court had ruled in favour of BCCI. BCCI had given its point of view at that point of time. There's Rajiv Shukla and Anurag Thakur who were part of that committee, which was coordinating with the Sports Ministry. However, right now what we're given to understand is that the Sports Ministry is seeking legal opinion on the Supreme Court verdict that has come on the IPL case, which clearly states that BCCI performs public functions. In fact, reading out from the excerpt, it clearly states the functions of the board are clearly public functions, which till such time the state intervenes to take over the same remain in the nature of public functions. So that clearly is one of the main points that the Sports Ministry is currently banking on. They are taking a legal opinion to push their case of bringing BCCI under the RTI ambit, especially after the IPL verdict that has gone against the board.
Stay on with us, Harini. We have Senior Advocate Sanjay Hegde also on the phone with us. Now, Sanjay, what we are being told is that the Sports Ministry is seeking legal opinion on the possibility of the BCCI being brought under the ambit of the Right to Information Act. What is your take on that?
It would be interesting if they do manage to bring the BCCI under the ambit of the RTI Act, because you see, the BCCI is still a closed club. It is a society registered under the Tamil Nadu State Act. Now, the point is that if you bring this particular club under the RTI, how many other clubs are you going to bring in within the same ambit? The other part would be that this is the thin end of the wedge for the BCCI, no doubt. But once you bring the BCCI in under the RTI, maybe the next demand will be for political parties to be under the RTI as well. I am not sure why he needs legal opinion. If at all legal opinion is sought, then the takeover would have to be much more comprehensive. You may have to take up over the sport, install by means of legislation an entire scheme of how the sport is to be run, the sport of cricket is to be run, and then and only then would it make sense bringing it under the RTI. Otherwise, this is a private club like any other club.
But Sanjay, the fact is that the Supreme Court verdict into the IPL scandal had at one point termed the BCCI as a public body. That is something that has happened in the, during the IPL case. So
no, even before the IPL. Even before the IPL. But that is
that something that cannot be cited? That can be cited, right?
That is for the purposes of the court. So if it's a public body, then you can go to the court and file a writ petition against it. Otherwise, you have to go and file a civil suit. The court has treated them as a public body for the court's purposes. Now, you can't do that the government cannot do what a court can do, but the court does it only for limited purposes. If the government wants to bring it under BCCI, in my opinion, the correct way would be to bring in legislation, provide a legislative framework for making this a public body, and then in that same legislation, provide that they will be subject to the RTI.
All right. Sanjay Hegde, thanks very much for speaking with us here on The Game.